Hi everyone, this is George, back on another video. Today I bought myself a Ring Video Doorbell, and it's the best product I think in the world, and I think it's fantastic, and it's a second generation, and it's they say it's the best quality camera in the world, and yeah, so it's a very good one as well, and it's very good quality, picture quality is great as well. But it's great, yeah. So and I just think it was very easy to set up, and yeah. So it's comes with there's a 1080p camera on it, and it's motion sectored, and it's got live video streaming, and also it's very clever as well, and it's and it gives you notifications when you get when somebody walks in front of it, and also it tells you and when the doorbell goes off, you get a ring and doorbell going on your on the phone as well, so yeah, so it's very good as well. So I'll just show you what's in the pamphlet, and so I lifted this up in the box. So I said it's actually installed on my door, on my back door now, on my front door now, and my gate. So we'll get the pamphlet. That I know it's not, it might be in English, but it is, hopefully it is. Yeah, some of it's in different language, but hopefully as well. So there's some English, there's some bit of English as well. So you get the tools. You get the tools, you get the screwdriver in there, and let's just show you. So you get the screw, you get the screwdriver. You can change the thing on to the safety side as well, whatever it's called. I don't want to talk about it now, because safety, Alright, okay, I don't want to talk about it now. So okay, that's nothing to do with anything else. I don't know. Right, okay. Right. So then we've got the drill bit for drilling for any kind of walls, perhaps. If you want to melt into a wall, perhaps. Okay. And also we got the little spirit level as well. The little tiny spirit level. And that's it. Yeah. And then that's it. And there's little tiny stickers in there as well in that book, in the booklet as well. And that's it. And then that's it. And so I'm going to show you a video of it when it's actually working now. So I'm going to show you outside my house, and I'll show you looking at it now in a minute. So I'll show you right in a minute. All right, here we go. Behind this gate is the Ring doorbell. So I'm going to open this door now. So here it is, right on the doorbell, on the door, and there it is, and it detected me, so it just told me it's found out I'm opening the door. So it's very clever as well, and looks very nice. I got the nice colour as well, and that's it. And so we're gonna go back inside, and I'll talk to you in a minute about it as well. Okay, alright then. Okay, that's it then. So thank you for watching my video, and so if you want to see this item, hopefully I think it's in Amazon as well, Amazon Best Buy as well. I'll find it on Amazon as well, so I'll show you. I'll leave a link in the description as well. I'll find out if there's a link for the description as well. So okay, so that's it then. So press the subscribe button and the bell icon until you know when the next video drops. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.